Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys so much for joining me today. So I am so excited about this Entryway tour. It is an updated Entryway tour from the last Entryway tour that I gave you, and I am so excited about it. I love the way that it turned out, and I just cannot wait for you guys to see the video in its entirety. So if this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Shushana, and I do lots of home decor here on this channel. I also have a primary channel, which is my DIY channel, All Things Shushana, and my cleaning channel, The Cleaning Queen. So I would love for you to go ahead, subscribe to this channel and the other two channels, and make sure you double tap the bell so that you receive all my video notifications. I do upload on all three of my channels weekly. My cleaning channel, I upload every Mondays at 10 a.m. So I would love for you to go ahead, subscribe, and become a part of our family here. I want to thank you so much today for joining me, and I want you to enjoy.
Gleaming black as night, cloistered in injustice, dead